Aloha guys, you know what? I just got this express package in the mail from overseas. Don't know who it's from or what it is. I mean, they got my name right and everything. I'm on as a staffer with, or geez, maybe around 20 something companies. So, well, yeah, I do know who this is from. This is from Vernon. Vernon is with Gomexus, and he has sent me some, I guess, knobs because he wanted my expertise on making Gomexus knobs for Okuma Reels, and he wanted to know what I felt would work and not work. So I gave him my honest opinion, I mean, color-wise and everything else. And I guess I haven't heard from him last week, but this came in a couple of days, so now I know why. Wow. He actually gave me some stuff, which I assume I'm going to have to put on my reels to see how well they work out. Ooh, that looks good. That'll be good for my bait catchers, especially the ones I'm thinking about. Gomexus stickers. Ooh, nice. Nice. These look nice. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to get busy, see what I have to work with. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna try out this one here. This is the Gomexus with this is a beautiful looking power nut, black with red accent. It's good for 57, 63, 65, 75 millimeters, which I believe is the spindle length. So I had another box of it. So here it is right here. And as you can see, watch that. Isn't that kind of cool? Okay, so before you start getting into this and try to figure out if it works, this did not work with the Ceymar HD 1000, and the reason being is because I don't think it was wide enough. So let me show you how you check for that. So I'm going to use Ceymar 40 rather than the HD. Now it may or may not work with the HDs, but the 1000 I use is the smallest, so it didn't work with that because it just didn't have the width on it. So here we go. We have a the 40, which is pretty decent size reel. So this one here, you just take this off on the side. And you got to do this first. You got to make sure that it will fit your unit. All right. All right. So handles off. And you notice the little stub still in there. Make sure it hasn't fallen off, or at least it's still on here. Okay, you need that little stub because that's the stub you need when you switch back and forth to go from right hand to left handed usage. So we're going to see if this works. Alrighty. We're going to put this in here. Now, the old style, you had to kind of like drill. Remember that? It's kind of humble. You had to partially drill that, but the new ones, it's like a plug and play kind of thing, you know, where you don't have to do that. You just have to interchange it like that. Put this back in here. See, it's just now starting to thread. Look how far out it is. That's probably why it wouldn't work on the smaller unit. There we go. Check this out. Done. Wasn't that fast? Yeah, it looks so nice. The black with the red accents of the reel matches up with the black and the red accent of the knob. This is actually a very well done knob. You know, on the website, the Gomexus site, it does tell you what these will fit, and these were it was first advertised to fit the Shimano's, like the Sienna, but it's when you punch that and you look at the webpage, it does say it will also fit Ceymars as well. So to end my report, these, I have not used a Gomexus for a while because it was kind of humbug at first because you had to partially drill it, and I didn't want to do that because if I screwed up, I ruined a perfectly good spinner. But now Gomexus has done away with that. It's just you screw it out, screw it in, 10 seconds, you're done. Alrighty. So look how beautiful this looks. Look at that. It's actually quite attractive. And when your hands are wet, this would be really good for that high speed retrieval. So there you have it. Also, keep this handle because in the future, you may want to put this on another reel. Okay, so hold on to the handle, put it in your box, hold on to that. Thank you. Hello guys. Now Vernon from Gomexus has asked me what do I feel about using this reel, the cold water reel, with a special T-bar style of attachment. I feel that in the cold waters for the Pacific Northwest, those people have cold hands and the wet and it may not work well. But for me here in Hawaii and other places that we use it for trolling, it will work extremely well. What do you think? Leave a comment below. Thank you.